So for today's video, I'm actually planning to take photos later for Instagram, so I'm taking you with me as I get ready, and nothing too complicated. Like everything is nude brown-ish, you know, but we're not looking like dead nude. Anyway, yeah, let's get into the makeup. So I'm going to clean my face first with the Sanicare charcoal facial cleansing wipes that I've been loving for the past couple of weeks. I already applied yung aking favorite na Laneige lip sleeping mask that's really good to moisturize your lips. So I used a black eyeliner but a brown mascara because so I can achieve like the perfect balance for me in person. For my eyes, I'm going to use this one. This is the Vice X and Clothes face palette. Yes, I'm going to use a face palette for my eyes. Super simple nude makeup lang naman yung goal ko, and I'm really eyeing this shade for the eyelids. Pink Flash black eyeliner, super affordable but really good quality. For mascara, another affordable product that I've been loving recently. This is from O2O. Next I'm going to do is I'm going to take itong Sunny Space Air Blush in the shade Biscuit, and then I am going to generously put it on my cheeks. Generously. Then I'm going to generously apply Freckles. I'm so sorry guys, I'm so in love with Freckles nowadays. Freckles done. Now I'm going to take ito Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is like the first version, and then I'm just going to set my face. EB Advance Matte Lipstick in the shade Neutral Mocha.
Got a dopamine rush, got a major league crush when you're next to me. Got my heart upon my sleeve, can I hide the way I feel when you're next to me, girl? Got the kick in every move and I fought it's like a fool for you, for you. Wish I knew just what it was, but why should I make a fuss? Just stay next to me, girl.
Alright guys, so this is the finished look. But yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed it for today's video. And if you have video requests, comment it down below. For today's video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!